How to see watch history on TikTok. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see a list of all the recently watched videos on your TikTok account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up the TikTok app on your iPhone, Android phone, or Samsung phone, and then navigate to your profile by selecting profile in the bottom menu. Once on your profile, select the three lines in the top right to open up the menu, and then in the menu, select settings and privacy. Now we just need to scroll down to the content and display section and select Activity Center. Once in the Activity Center, the first option should be Watch History. Select that, and then you'll see a full history of the videos that you've watched on TikTok. Now you can filter up at the top by date and go different time ranges and date ranges if you want to, but in here you can see anything and just select it. That'll open up the video. Additionally, we can delete anything from our watch history by selecting Select at the top right, select a video, and then just select Delete. You can also choose to select all your watch history, and this will delete your entire watch history and then delete it. So that's how you see watch history on TikTok. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.